Well, if the question is why Pioneer, right? Well, with us is your family. We're large enough to handle all your air conditioning needs, but we're small enough to know you by your first name. When you call our office, we're going to introduce ourselves as Leo's, but at the same time, we're going to ask for your first name. We take pride in knowing that this is home. My daughters go to school here. My father still resides here. My parents live here. This is home. So why Pioneer versus anybody else? Because you're treated as a person. We treat you the way, you know, Vegas, in Vegas, values are still here, right? What is old, right, is new again. Well, I believe in customer service, but not just customer service, but the customer experience, right? You should be treated fairly. You should be treated with respect, the way it used to be, right? The way it should be. And that's why Pioneer Air is different. It's because we are human. Can I say it in another word? The way we all should be treating each other. So that's why Pioneer is important, and that's why Pioneer is different.